Zerei.
Come
They're in the
southwest.
Terry. They're in the Terry.
5%. Oh, on the Terry. Okay, come southwest.
They have 5% disarray, so like,
Yeah.
Okay.
Legionary is saying they have a level 4 right now. Oh, that's 5.
Okay, you can zone party 2. I think it was early, but whatever.
It's already here.
They're OCing.
They have 11%.
Okay,
Yeah,
stay with me, stay with me. We focus on the node for now.
The person who is gonna take the node.
Stay with me, and behind me, please. Behind the crown, behind the crown, behind the crown.
Second party leader, put a crown on it.
I'm looking for
more
him.
guarded.
Yeah, no.
They're stepping up.
Remember the person who is gonna take the node.
Just come southwest a bit. Just hold. We let them come in, okay?
They still have 11%.
The gather, you can gather. In 1 minute. Don't food, don't OC for now. I'm gonna tell you. Let them come in, and after we're gonna full send, okay?
Parber Rathi is their golem.
So be careful when they engage, don't clamp too much, just clerical. And they will kite, so we focus on the node, okay?
They're clumping in that choke.
you can jump, yeah.
Just if they come, just
Follow.
engaging, cleric. Nice, heal up. Walk in now. My melee come in. My melee coming. I'm gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my club. Clap this. More damage. Keep the pressure. My behemoth go on the node. I need a few healers coming. Come west now. Careful, they're gonna engage. Heal up on the front. Walk in now. Heal up. We're gonna engage in 7 seconds. On the choke. On 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my club. It's everyone. Come this. Nice. And come back now. Come back. Heal up. Drop Judas. Potion everything. Drop Judas. And come back. Fast. Come back west. They're engaging. It's fake. Heal up on the east. It's not fake. It's sorry. Come back west. Full west. Full kiting. Heal up. He balking. Come west. Come full west. We need to pull them. Because they are kiting on the terrain, okay? We need to pull them. Come west. Follow me. Okay, we're gonna engage together because all my party 1 is dead.
Where's our gatherer?
Just hold.
What?
You engage with me, okay? Okay, just hold. Heal up on the front. Come, pull more. West. Come west. Come west. Food happen aussi, if you didn't.
You have to see for long time, man.
Okay, just stay with me.
Is our gatherer still alive?
Catch. No, come back. They're gonna engage on the front, so careful. Heal up. Il en alpha. Heal up. Q on alpha. Q. Nice. Come back west. My guys, please come back. They are too close to the terrain. We can go. They are too close to the terrain. Oh my god.
Where's our gatherer?
We need someone to gather.
Where's the farmer?
I'm on 5 safe.
There is a party southwest.
Swap for gather. We need to gather and get out.
Okay.
So careful, they're gonna engage fast, okay? So be ready to cleric,
The
okay?
moment squad is in south.
Okay, come northwest. Be ready to cleric, okay? Come northwest, full northwest, please! Hello! Come northwest! Follow me! You need to stay behind me. Come, pass the choke here.
I need another defense.
just follow
Look into the bomb squad, man.
They're looking.
Come northwest. Can I have my gatherer?
Who's gathering this? Why are we gathering it?
Okay, just stay like this.
The bomb squad is looking to
Okay, just wait.
They're looking to engage soon.
He's
Just
waiting
wait.
for his
They're
spot.
gonna fast engage.
You're at a
okay?
14 now.
Be ready, be ready, be ready. Be ready, be ready. Just wait, just wait, just roll, just roll, just roll, just roll.
Squad is in E.
If they're coming, just roll the D-tanks inside of you. Just roll they're engaging on the front. Heal up. Don't go too far, my D-tank. Don't go too far, don't go too far. I'm gonna engage inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the guys inside of me, on the guys inside of me. Oh, come back. It's actually bad engage. Come back, West. Heal up on Radico. Okay, my guys, you need to understand, we lose all the party 1. You need to engage with me all together, okay? So just stay here. Cleric, heal up. Cleric. Oh my god, Cleric, please, heal up.
No squad is coming now.
Walking. Careful the bomb squad. Heal up. Full walking. Oh, I'm gonna engage on the front. Be ready. In 5,
Hee, we need you back on the node.
3, 2, 1. On my club. It's everyone. Club this. Nice damage. Come back, West. Come back. Fast, come back. They have CDs. Come back.
Hee, we need you on the node. What are you doing?
Come back. Heal up on the east. He's strong back in this direction. Come back northwest. Nice. Come back. You get the node or what?
No, we didn't. But one of our battle mounts, he just stayed here. It's getting ratted.
Okay. So my behemoth stay on the node and my gatherer please when you can.
But where is our gatherer, man? I'm just standing.
He's waiting his back.
He's stacking.
He's stacking.
Okay.
Because
The
his
BE
changes.
shouldn't be moving off there. That small
Just
skill
wait.
group keeps
Okay,
rocking
you
around.
need to pop clerical when they engage. Please, I swear, you are playing. You are.
Ladax, we don't have cooldown.
The bomb squad.
Wait. And pop potion when they engage. They're engaging cleric. Okay, simple. Please. Heal up. Get ready to. Okay, come back. We get on the video. The home squad is where we're gonna engage inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of me. Clap this. Finish the tanks. We are missing some damage. Come back. Finish the tanks inside of you. Nice. Come back now. If you don't have cleric, pop your potions. Okay, just hold.
Watch out, they're looking.
Oh, 7 stacks. Oh my god. Gather now. Doesn't matter. Gather now.
Continue. Don't follow them, okay? If you are damaged and you see the bomb squad is coming, just go through the bomb squad.
They're coming now.
Don't literally.
Yeah. Just pop cleric. If you don't have cleric, just pop potions and healer. Be ready to heal. Okay, they are looking. Walking. Cleric, defensive. Walking. I'm gonna engage. Tip in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On my club. Clap this. And defensive at the same time. Heal up on the front. Heal up on blah blah. From duties, heal up on blah blah. Come back. Brawl the D-tank staff of and come west. Fast. Come west. Careful, they're gonna engage. Careful, heal up on the east. Oh my god. My guys, come on, come west now. Please, they are fast engaged, 2 cooldowns. You need to come back really fast if you don't have defensive. That's simple. And they have rigor on the same maps. Please, they are looking. Careful. Cleric. I'm gonna engage deep inside. Deep. Wait. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Heal up on Galaxy. And engage on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On est. Clap this. Nice damage. Keep the pressure. Nice. Come west now. Come west. Heal up. And come west. Heal up. And come west. Heal up. No, don't go. Come west, please. Come west. Please, fast. Come west.
Oh, their golem almost ate it there.
Oh my god, bro.
The bomb hit at the same time.
We don't have mana. We need to chill. We need to save our cooldowns, okay?
How's the node looking?
Fan, how many stacks?
Don't go too far. You're gonna get engaged. They have. Okay, heal up. We don't counter. Stay like this. Just roll.
They're at a level 4 again.
Just roll.
They're coming.
Yeah, just wait. Pull them in, because if they're not engaging deep, I can counter, okay? If they're not engaging deep, I can counter. So please come west, come west! Wevo, come west, please! I swear to God, please come west! Please come west, I can't engage. They're too far for engage. How I can catch them if they're too far? We need to pull them in.
Man, why we are
like
taking away too much together that shit?
Yeah, this is taking way too long.
Because he put his set of fighting. I don't
Yeah,
care why.
that's okay. That's okay.
They're looking.
Okay, careful,
They're
they're gonna engage. Wait. We don't counter. Come west. Just stay like this,
They pop defensives and everything.
Yeah, they have to cool down, so we have to be careful, okay?
Double king on his side.
I am not alive, so you don't have this.
They don't have damage on the main engage, so they will play on the bomb squad, okay?
We are 2%.
Yeah. I mean,
Yeah,
people
coming.
don't know how to press clerical and potions. We lose so many people.
Okay, it's done.
Don't just leave them up.
Hey, already.
If don't, leave the map, please, and we're gonna fight them, or just leave. Wait. Pull them southwest. Come southwest. We're gonna pretend we leave, okay? Come southwest. They engage now. My detects. Help my detects. Come back southwest. We don't counter. Kijik, reviens. Kijik, come back. Kijik. Oh my god.
They're retarded, man.
Come back southeast.
Bro, I'm
He's
missing
dead.
half the party
You
on the
have to
second
sacrifice
party for
fucking
some
defensive
reason.
tanks. Without
Come
loot,
back southeast.
you sacrifices, okay? That's it. We cannot win that shit.
Come back